The ADT smoke alarm knows when there's smoke or extreme temperatures in your home. Install the alarm in bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, and utility rooms. When smoke or extreme temperatures are detected, the alarm siren sounds and a notification is sent wirelessly to your ADT Security Hub, which can then initiate optional ADT professional monitoring services, send an alert to your smartphone, or automate connected devices in your home. The ADT smoke alarm is completely wireless and easy to install in just a few minutes.